Working with citrus to enhance your cocktails is a lot of fun. Citrus is an amazing ingredient when building cocktails, and the Traeger allows us to manipulate those citruses, which brings a deeper flavor of caramelized juice or smoked juice or grilled juice to heighten our cocktail experience. When we're thinking about what we're going to use for our citrus, we also got to think what we're going to use for our sweetener. When we're using honey, it goes really well with lemon. When you're thinking about orange, I love using agave. Here we're going to use grapefruit and agave with a little bit of cinnamon in the Paloma. The Traegerized Paloma with a deep, rich citrus. Cheers.